Jake! Hey, buddy! Best friend, you're my boy. Oh, hey, dog, yeah, you. Ew, don't lick me to death or something? Bud. Thank you. Jake. Hey, bud. No, I want you. That's a good boy. She's Jake. What? Okay, Katie's gonna feed him.
Here you go, bud.
He's a pig. Now, if we can get Katie to maybe go around and get him down. Okay. This is Jake Full. He's nice and big. He is huge. He's my little boy. Come on, bud. Woo! As you can see, he's just like a little puppy. Really wild. Woo! Alright, Kim. This is Jake, and he says hi.